All right, today we're taking a close look at the Loyola-ICAM College of Engineering and Technology right in Chennai. And for all you students getting ready for TNEA counseling, remember this code, 1450.
So, what's the big picture here? Well, it really boils down to three key things. It's a Jesuit engineering college, it just recently gained autonomous status, and it's located right in the heart of Chennai. Let's unpack what that means for you.
So, here's what we're going to cover. We'll start with the college's identity and heritage, check out its official approvals, look at the engineering programs they offer, get into admissions and scholarships, explore its career network and facilities, and wrap up with what makes it stand out.
All right, first up, let's get to the basics. Who exactly is LICET?
Okay, the full name is Loyola-ICAM College of Engineering and Technology, but everyone just calls it LICT. It started back in 2010. It's a self-financing, autonomous college, and it holds Christian minority status. Of course, it's affiliated with Anna University, and it's located on that famous Loyola campus in Nungambakkam, Chennai.
And here is that crucial number again, something students and parents absolutely need to have handy for admissions. The TNEA Code is 1450.
Now, this is really interesting. At its heart, the college was founded by the Jesuits with a very clear social mission. It's all about empowering the marginalized through skill-based technical education. This isn't just a line on paper, it's a core part of their identity. So looking at their journey, LICET was founded in 2010 with a pretty impressive academic collaboration with ICAM in France. It was even inaugurated that same year. And then, a really big milestone. In 2024, it was granted autonomous status. That's a huge deal for a college that's not even 15 years old.
Okay, moving on to something super important. Official approvals. For any family making this big decision, this is a non-negotiable checklist, right?
So first things first, and this is crucial, LICET is approved by the AICTE for the 2025-26 academic year. On top of that, 5 of its main engineering programs have NBA accreditation that's valid until June 2025. This really is a strong indicator of academic quality in their core departments.
All right, so what can you actually study here? Let's dive into the engineering branches they have on offer.
The college offers 6 BE or BTech degrees. You've got the 5 foundational branches, computer science, IT, ECE, EEE, and mechanical. And then there's a 6th program that really shows they're keeping an eye on what the industry needs right now.
And that's the new age BTech in artificial intelligence and data science. This is exactly the kind of forward-looking program that's designed to meet the demands of the modern tech world.
So you've seen the courses. The next big questions are, of course, how do you get in, and what about financial support?
Let's get into the practical side of things, admissions and scholarships, and your path to getting a seat at LICET.
So here's how admissions are split. 65% of the seats are filled through the government quota, which means TNEA counseling. The other 35% are for the management quota, for direct admission. And remember, since it's a minority institution, the Christian minority quota also applies.
Now, when it comes to financial aid, there are quite a few options available. Students can apply for various government scholarships, like the ones for SC/ST and BC/MBC communities, the popular First Graduate Scholarship, and even central government scholarships for minorities and OBCs. Plus, the college offers its own Jesuit and institutional scholarships as well. Okay, so we've covered how to get in. Now let's talk about what happens once you're there. Life at LICET, and of course, your future career. And this is a big one for many of you. Placements. LICT has a really solid network of recruiters. This is just a small sample, but you can see top-tier companies here, including major names in both IT and core engineering like Zoho, TCS, Amazon, Bosch, and MRF.
Now, for students who might be coming from out of town, there is a boys' hostel available. And its location is a huge plus. Being in Nungambakkam means you've got amazing connectivity. The Nungambakkam railway station is only about a kilometer away, which makes the daily commute super convenient for local students too.
All right, let's bring it all together. What are the key things that really set LICET apart from the rest?
So, it really comes down to 4 major highlights. First, its brand new autonomous status, which gives it a ton of academic flexibility. Second, that foundational partnership with ICAM France. Third, its official status as a Christian minority institution. And fourth, that quality stamp of having 5 of its undergraduate programs accredited by the NBA. Just so you know, all the information we've presented in this explainer is based on data we've gathered from the college's official website and government portals as of April 2026.
We hope this detailed breakdown helps you make a more informed choice. Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.